Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fusion Next Gen Learning. In today's demonstration, we are going to cover one more business requirement. If there is a business requirement to hide receipt accounting infolets from the dashboards, certain infolets are not useful day-to-day activity, so you can hide all those infolets from the dashboards. You can hide globally for all, or you can hide based on the user need or the user preferences. So if I click on the receipt accounting, if you notice that we have couple of infolets available. Now we'll go to the setup and maintenance. And within the setup and maintenance, we'll click on the task. And within the task, we'll search and type manage admin profile. So manage administrator profile values. Once we click on the manage administrator profile values, you have to type the code aura underscore CMR underscore hide underscore infolets. And within that, if you notice, you have site level values as well as the user level. So for user, you can use the user and you can enter the username and you can set the profile values. Now I'm setting up for all the users. So for that, I'll enter the all. And so I'm hiding all the infolets. So let me hide that and click on the home and we'll go back and check. So if I'll check, if you notice that all the infolets are hidden since I have enabled the all. So for hiding the specific, there are certain values available. I'll show you. So let me again enable it. So I am enabling back all the infolets. So for that, I'll just delete all the values within the profile values and I'll click on the save and close. So what it does basically, it will enable back all the infolets to the receipt accounting dashboards area. So let me go back and see. So if you notice that now my all the infolets are enabled. We have the profile option, and within the profile option, what we have these are values available. So you can, let's take example. If you don't want to show them trade underscore operations, you can enter this value. And then if you don't want them to be shown like recent under processes, then you can just put the comma and put those values. So these two infolets will be hidden across, or you can hide these two infolets for the specific user. So both ways you can handle this in the Oracle Fusion. So we'll go back and setup and maintenance. So if you notice that paid operations are there, so let me go back and try to hide the paid operation. So let me search back the profile option. So what is our profile option? Trade underscore operations. So we'll set that trade underscore operations. And if you want other values to be set, just put the comma and comma separator, you can add other values too. So I'm hiding only one. Let me click on save and close, click on done and go back to the home page and we'll try to go to the receipt accounting dashboards and we'll see. So currently it's visible. So let me log off and log in back. Then now I logged in back and we'll go to the supply chain execution, go to the receipt accounting. And we'll see that trade operation is hidden now. So this is how you can achieve this kind of requirement in Oracle Fusion. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel, Fusion Exit Learning. Keep subscribing, keep watching. Happy learning.